Hello, I'm Henry DeVillers, Product Specialist for B&G Electronics. The tone that you just heard is what we call A.L.E.R.T. Some of you may know it as CHIRP. CHIRP is an acoustic tone that's designed to be a non-lethal tone to get a perpetrator to leave an area. Ours, we call it A.L.E.R.T. Ours is a little bit different. Ours is designed to create the tone right where your car is at, so that if you're being overwhelmed by an attacker, you have a very, very loud tone, and you also have lights. A.L.E.R.T stands for Acoustic, Light, Emergency Reaction Tactic. So we use acoustics and lights to disable the ears, to disable the eyes, so that someone drops an object, so that they walk away, and it gives you an escape route so that you can leave. In this series, we're going to go over our intercommunicators, our intercom systems, and we're going to show you section by section every benefit and feature of the B&G Electronic intercom systems for your automobile. So our Mono series is our light series. It's designed, like we said before, for light law enforcement use, for use commercially, and also individuals. This particular system has several versions. We have several different power levels, 25 watts, 50 watts, and 100 watt version. This is the system right here. As you notice, it comes with a loudspeaker designed to go outside. It also comes with a switch control, and we have 3 other controls which we're going to go over. Okay, and then it comes with a microphone that goes outside, and then it comes with the amplifier itself. The most important part is your control. We're going to show you each control. There's 3 controls. There's a basic push button control that does not have any siren tones with it, and it does not have the chirp tone with it either. It's basically just an intercom system. This is our standard control. You might call it your undercover control. It's very small, compact. We're able to control everything from this keypad. We're showing it right above here. In this control, we have a couple of siren tones, we have a horn, and we also have your intercom functions right here. This is our small, compact control. For law enforcement, we have a larger switch panel. This gives you 3 controls also. Each control goes up momentarily, goes down, and has a center control. It works identical to the other one. It has your sirens, has all your CHIRP. It's all included inside of your system. So this is the standard for law enforcement use. Let's go over the features and what your B&G electronic intercom system actually does. I'm going to show you on this particular switch box. We have it much bigger here, but basically, first of all, we have a monitoring function. What that means is I can switch this up. It turns on the speakers inside of the patrol car, and I can hear what's going on in the outside. Yeah, go ahead and walk around the back of the vehicle, or just do a 360 and count.
Do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
this speaker?
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18.
Okay, perfect. Okay, in our law enforcement mode, you push the switch up and it gives you your standard siren tones. It gives you wail, it gives you yelp, and it gives you phaser. One of the nice things about this system is that it is user programmable. In other words, you can go in there and turn certain tones on and off. Go to your dealer, they can set it up. We have a complete library of tones. Now, when you go down, it gives you your CHIRP tones, or what we call the A.L.E.R.T tones. What it does is it cycles through 3 different tones. You get CHIRP, you build up to the CHIRP, a louder CHIRP, then it switches to a tone to interrupt it, to give a break on the ears, and then it goes back to CHIRP, a different type of CHIRP. So that's by pushing the button down. That's what you control here in this with the center switch. Now, with this particular switch, it gives you a horn if you go down. It's a momentary tone. You have to hold it in place, and it gives you the horn. If you push it up, it gives you wail. Okay? You can keep it on wail, and then if you want to go to yelp, just hit the yelp, and it'll give you yelp over here. Okay? Now, that's what the feature is on switch number 1, and that's what you're hearing right now. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If this sounds like a system that you're interested in, call your local upfitter, call your local auto accessory shop and ask them for a demonstration of the product, or ask them for information on the Mono series of the B&G electronic systems. If you're looking for something with more power, with more features, go take a look at our systems, our stereo systems, and our louder systems, the B&G Electronics PW Patrol Watch series. Thank you for viewing.